Leo nimeamua kuwapatia a step by step guide on how to make super soft chapati dough. Kama hujui kupika chapati, this video is for you. Keep it locked here to see the whole process. In today's recipe, we are using 3 packets of flour.
Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? So today, in today's video, we are going to be making more and more chapatis, and we are using 3 packets of chapati. So I have already poured one or put one in the basin. So we are going to add another one. It's about 3 packets flour of chapati. So here I have a cup of sugar, but I'm not going to add the whole cup of sugar because I don't want them to be too sweet. And of course I need salt. If you want soft layer chapatis, you always need to add warm water. Honestly, I did not measure the water because I don't know how much I'm going to be needing for this recipe. You keep kneading the dough until you feel the dough is at the right consistency that you need. And I feel my dough is ready, so I'm just going to go in and add some cooking fat. I love to use fat when I'm making chapatis, and because today I'm making lots of them, I'm going to add enough oil. Make sure you add enough oil. Dough is perfect, so I'm just going to give it a few minutes. Always make sure you add enough oil during this process because you do not want a hard dough. So that's why I always make sure that I add enough oil when I'm kneading. And yesterday I was baking some cakes, and today in the morning I had to wake up early to decorate the same cakes. So my hands are tired, and I'm telling my niece that bakers in Nigeria, I would really love to be like bakers in Nigeria because those people, they know how to decorate and bake their cakes. I give them 100. They really know how to decorate their cakes. They are perfect when it comes to cake decorating. So I offer these services. These are catering services and errand services. I am located in Nairobi. My number in the description box. You can call me. You can visit our Facebook page, which is Carol Carrier, and also remember to follow us there. So if you need someone to take care of your events, we are there to do that for you. And my dough is ready. I'm just going to give it a few minutes for it to rest, and then I'm going to start making my chapatis. So today we are making, I'm sorry, I'm talking about baking. Today we are making brown chapatis. My dough is now ready, as you can see. So, and I had used clean film to cover the dough. I have basita to the working area. I'm now going to put it on the working area. It's quite a lot. I don't know how many pieces itatwanga, but yeah, that is the dough that I am working with. and as you can see, it is super soft. So the secret to getting soft layered chapatis and is just working with warm water, and also need the kneading process. When it's like this, it's too huge for me to roll out, so I cut it into two and see how. So the other one, put it back in my bowl, in my basin, and then I'm going to work with this. This one is easy to roll with. You take your oil and then you apply it on the dough, and because this is quite huge, I'm going to use by hand. Take flour and then you sprinkle it all around the dough. So now it's karibu.
Okay.
So the next step, you now cut out the pieces. So the next step, we now start rolling into the balls that you need. You can roll as many as you want, depending with the size that you want also. So in this case, I'm just taking 3 pieces and then I roll them all together to form a ball. There are different ways that you can roll your balls, and this is another way. So as you roll it, it's like you're playing with the dough. You roll it around. This is for you to achieve the layers in your chapatis. But if you don't want to do this, this tends to be, sometimes it tends to be so, it takes a lot of time. And then you take your dough. You take your dough and then you roll it like that. And then you keep rolling it until you finish. Right? If you have watched this video up to this point, remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Also, don't forget to leave a sweet comment down below and tell us which one do you like, which method do you like, okay? So that is how you achieve your layers. That is how you achieve your layers. There you have it. Again, check the pieces. You can fold as many as you want, depending on the size of chapati. You can fold this way. It's like a folding or you're doing a row, and then you fold it around. There you go. There you have your layers. You keep repeating the process until you're done a pizza. Then you take them, roll them, or you do a rope like this, and then start folding them into your ball nicely.